The iPhone 17 Air leaks are here, and they're painting a picture of the most radical iPhone redesign we've seen in years. Thanks to renowned leaker Majin Bu, we now have a first look at what could be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. Let's break down what we're seeing in these leaked images. The most striking feature? A completely redesigned camera system. Apple seems to be ditching the familiar square camera bump for a horizontal bar that runs along the top edge of the phone. This isn't just a cosmetic change, it's a complete rethinking of how iPhone cameras are integrated into the design. But here's where things get interesting and potentially controversial. According to these leaks, Apple might be making a major compromise to achieve this ultra-thin design. The iPhone 17 Air could come with just a single speaker in the earpiece, eliminating the bottom speaker we've all gotten used to. Now I know what you're thinking. What about my YouTube videos, my gaming, my music? Well, Apple is reportedly working on advanced amplification technologies and software optimizations to compensate for this change. But let's be real, this could be a deal breaker for some users. One feature that's staying put is the camera control button, which was recently introduced. It's good to see Apple maintaining some continuity while pushing boundaries with this radical redesign. Look, I've seen plenty of iPhone leaks over the years, but this one feels different. Apple seems to be taking a huge risk here, prioritizing thinness over features that many users consider essential. While the design looks undeniably sleek, I'm concerned about the practical implications of having just one speaker. That said, if Apple can pull off superior sound quality from a single speaker, this could be the beginning of a new era in iPhone design. If you're curious about what Apple's doing in the foldable space, check out my video up here. And for the latest on DJI's upcoming Mavic Pro, tap right here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest tech leaks and rumors.